Hello, hello, hello. Welcome now, Stock Trades. Mike check 123. How's everyone doing today? In this video, we're going to go ahead and do a in-depth analysis on SoFi. This is going to be many parts of these videos. I'm no stranger to this company. We've been analyzing it for quite some time, and I'm here to show you guys some proof. No camera today. My apologies again, away from the studio, but doesn't mean that we can't provide high quality research. Okay, so definitely share this video. We're about to get into it right now. But first, I want to talk about is, if you don't recall, a little over 2 years ago, I made a video regarding SoFi Technologies intrinsic value calculation. And I was actually bearish at the time when it was trading at a $20 value. And my thesis and my argument was that SoFi is trading so far into the earnings of future free cash flow that it is overvalued at the $20 region. Then Chamath sold a portion of his stake, not all of it. And then the stock went down to around $18, and then it continued faltering and falling down. Again, this was 2 years ago. We posted it. We got 3.5 thousand views. I got a lot of smack on it. A lot of SoFi bulls didn't like what I had to say. Again, these are my opinions. I'm no stranger to criticism. I welcome criticism, but I like to stick through data-driven decisions, not opinion-driven decisions. So then we went ahead and, we're saying how SoFi was really expensive, and, we were definitely worried about the company. Again, 2.5 years ago, 2 years ago, it's been some time. But then we switched our role. Then a year ago, we said, hey, SoFi had a massive drop. We initiated a price target, and would you look at that? The price target has been respected using our intrinsic value calculation. And these videos are still up. You can find them, and you can do your own due diligence to see that, wait a minute, our calls have been accurate, right? So once institutional investors enter, the calls find themselves to be right into the intrinsic value calculation. Here I was traveling at a hotel, and I went ahead and made this video about SoFi. It was around the $5 region. And the rest is history. And then it was one of our top stock picks in 2023. And let me just show you guys here. If you look at our annual letter, it was one of our top stock picks. And we put it in at $4.43, and it returned a massive 125%, right? So in this video, we're going to go ahead and do our analysis to see what's going on. This is going to be parts of many videos. Not so much on the intrinsic value right now, but more so just to catch everyone to speed, right? We're going to catch up, right? We got to play catch up. We haven't talked about the stock in a while. All right. So SoFi Technologies stock has faced a downgrade from analysts. I made this presentation about a week ago, and I wasn't able to come to it because, there's been a lot of activity with Andrew Toy. So overall, it's interesting how we had this downgrade right when the company is expected to be EBITDA positive, right? To meet market expectations in terms of meeting market expectations. So let's go ahead and look at the analyst perspectives and EBITDA projections. So Downgrade Impact. So a recent downgrade by a Wall Street analyst to Underperform led to a significant drop in the SoFi stock price. Revenue diversification. So in terms of the RD here, targets and effective cost control contribute to the favorable outlook on SoFi's EBITDA. So I'm actually really, from a data-driven perspective, I'm actually really bullish on SoFi, given the just amazing things that they've been able to pull off, especially with their membership growth. So SoFi's financial growth and user base expansion. SoFi Technologies has seen its revenue nearly triple from 2020 to 2022. With a user, again, I'm going to repeat this again, okay? Someone commented here, SoFi takes home 3 awards in NerdWallet 2024, best of the awards. That's good. Keep it coming, guys. Comment down. We're doing a live, and if you guys are watching this post live, please comment. Again, I want to hear what you guys have to say, because some of you guys have been looking at this company, really in depth. So I want to hear your guys' opinion here, okay? So SoFi Technologies, I'm going to repeat this, has seen its revenue nearly triple from 2020 to 2022, with the user base that has grown to 6.96 million members, okay? Indicating a strong market presence and potential for future growth. The company's diverse offerings and growth in revenue and user base showcase its potential despite challenges in generating profits, right? And again, the reason why I'm reading off of the slide is because this is going to eventually go into a podcast, right? So I want to make sure I give the visuals to these folks, right? So let's go ahead and go to SoFi's operational segments here. So the lending segment originates and services personal, student, and home loans contribute to SoFi's core business model. In terms of technology platforms, including Galileo, I can't say these words. Galileo, hold on, guys, I'm terrible. Galileo and Technices, focusing on services for financial institutions and a digital banking platform, especially in Latin America. For folks that didn't know this, they did some acquisitions, so you should take a look at this and analyze. Financial services offers investing services, credit cards, and loan referrals, enhancing customer financial management. So now let's take a look at the numbers. Revenue streams and profitability. Interest income. In 2020, it was at $330.4 million. In 2022, it went up to $749.1 million. Loan origination and sales. $371.3 million in 2020, up to $605.4 million in 2022. Technology products and solutions, $90.1 million in 2020, and then it went up to $304.9 million in 2022. EBITDA, it was negative $44.6 million in 2020. Now it's positive $143.3 million in 2022. SoFi's 2023 performance and projections. SoFi net interest income and EBITDA have shown impressive growth in 2023, with projections indicating continued momentum. Management's high hopes are reflected in the forecasted EBITDA of $386 million to $396 million for the year. The company's bottom line has improved with significant year-over-year growth despite a challenging financial landscape. Long-term prospects and market position. SoFi's technology is poised for long-term success with growing value of interest earning assets and a strategic position to benefit from the historic wealth transfer to younger tech-savvy generations. They're literally targeting the folks that are going to be the next baby boomers that are going to control the assets as they inherit this transfer of wealth. While potential rate cuts pose challenges, the company's comprehensive financial services position it as a strong contender in the fintech space, most definitely and certainly, right? One of my favorite was them being, now it's the SoFi building instead of the Staple building. We know it as a Staple building, but now, it's starting to rub in on us as a SoFi building. Conclusion and investment takeaway. One moment here. Yeah, SoFi Stadium. My apologies. All right. So, in conclusion, SoFi Technologies is expected to navigate through market fluctuations and maintain its growth trajectory. The company's diverse operations and strategic management are key to its resilience. For long-term investors, SoFi represents a decent prospect, with the company's operational quality and growth potential outweighing concerns over profit generation. They're in the growth phase of where they are as a company, and they're doing a damn good job at it. So, overall, fundamental and intrinsic value calculation. In the next video, what we're going to be doing is I just wanted to basically have this video to just catch us up on what SoFi is doing. They're going to be presenting earnings this month, I believe on the later half of January, right? I want us to get us dialed in here just to kind of massage things out. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to go do a deep dive on the fundamentals, do an intrinsic value calculation, go 10 years into the future, discount back at a 10 to 15% discount rate using a 2 to 3% perpetuity model divided by the number of outstanding shares to find the value of SoFi. As I said, and I showed you in the beginning of the video, I went ahead and I initiated a sell on SoFi at $20 at the market top. Then we went ahead and called it on the market bottom, capturing a 125% gain. You don't believe me? We can go ahead and you can track my research down here. This was when it was around $20. I said, overvalued, right? This is when it was around $4. I said, yes, great, right? The data speaks for itself. We have a beautiful platform at our Al Stock Trades website. Take advantage of our lifetime access, $800 off. Here's our annual letter. You can look at the URL here to copy it and figure, you guys can see what, the top plays we've called and everything we've done in our research. And then here's our stock terminal, which has over 2.5 billion outputs. And you can see here, we are not joking when we talk about data-driven analysis and democratizing financial literacy and data to all retail investors from all around the world. Take advantage of what we offer, and we want to thank our partners of Affirm for being able to offset the lifetime access to our clients to make sure they have the ability to be able to access lifetime and have the best financial data that exists for retail investors. Overall, it's a privilege and honor. Enjoy your Friday night, and I will see you on the next one.